we all know that the world is facing a pandemic and the disease is known as very good COVID-19, and due to which your real classes are suspended. And we know that you are really curious by nature and want to learn something in your Atta lab. So today we are going to take your class and the topic is 3D printing. This is a 3D printer. So you have seen printer in your school. So what is the difference between that printer and your 3D printer? So when you print from that printer, you will get a printout which is 2D, means it has two dimensions, length and breadth. You can't touch those words, you can't touch them. But in 3D printer, we can do programming, or we already have some programs in them due to by using which we can make 3D shapes like this. This is a mobile holder where you can hold your mobile. Basically, it has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Because of which you can touch it, feel it, hold it in your hand. But this 2D print, you can't touch it or you can't hold it in your hand. So here, this is mobile holder which we have made it by using this 3D printer, and we can hold our mobile like this. We have also made symbol of our KB, and this is a knife. And we have also made a memento which we have used in on our yoga. So now let's see how can we use this 3D printer. This is preheat, in which we have to preheat the 3D printer so that the nozzle of this get heated and the wire get melt and make this shape or the program which we have uploaded in this. So in this is a PVC cable or filament which get melted. And how does it work? It get melted and take a shape here on this platform. Here it forms layer by layer, and then make the main object that we have programmed. So we have different types of PVC cable. We can use it according to the need of our project. Like this one is white in color, this one is pink in color, and we have many more. This is yellow PVC. As we know, in 2D print, in normal printer, what we use ink. Mainly we use black ink, or for colorful printing we can use colorful ink. Similarly, in this 3D printer we use this PVC filament in place of ink. We can use it in white color, or we can use it in different colors depending on the need of our project. So here we have the option of preheat. In this, the nozzle get heated at 220 degrees Celsius, and after that it starts melt and it forms the shape of the object layer by layer. And in this, when we click on build and this option, we have many programs, like we can make 3D benchy, double pyramid, Lord Ganesha image, KV logo and many more. So these are the inbuilt program which we have already in this 3D printer. You can also go to the Tinkercad website online, where you can get some free programs, and there you can also create your own program, also design the program of your needs, whichever shape you want to make, and there you can make the program, insert the pen drive here, and then you can run the program. And the time of that object depends on the shape of your object. If it is big, it will take more time. If it is small or tiny, it will take less time. So here you can see we can make a knife. First of all, we click on that. We have three options: build it, copy or delete. Here we So here, what is the total time taken by this knife to be made? 16 minutes. It will take 16 minutes. Now we will start building it. And now you can see how the 3D printer is working. Here you can see the temperature of this filament is rising, nozzle is rising up to 220 degrees Celsius. After that the process will be started. See, now it's 105, now it's 111, now 121. Now it will rise till 220 degrees Celsius. And you can see the nozzle here. It will be very hot, so never touch it, else you will burn your hand. So be careful while handling this 3D printer, especially in this nozzle area. Now you can see the print here. So here, what is the total time taken by this knife to be made? 16 minutes. It will take 16 minutes. Now we will start building it. And now you can see how the 3D printer is working. Here you can see the temperature of this filament is rising, nozzle is rising up to 220 degrees Celsius. After that the process will be started. See, now it's 105, now it's 111, now 121. Now it will rise till 220 degrees Celsius. And you can see the nozzle here. It will be very hot, so never touch it, else you will burn your hand. So be careful while handling this 3D printer, especially in this nozzle area. Now you can see the printer has started working. Here we can see that how much work is in progress. 3% of the work is done, and this will move in the same in the same path again and again, and form many layers, and after that we will got a desired object. So now after 16 minutes we can see our knife is ready, and it is 3D because we can touch it, take it in our hand, and it is 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. So 3D printer, first of all, your first time was prepared by Chuck Hull. Who made the 3D printer? Chuck Hull. Very good. So now by observing all these objects, can you tell me some uses of 3D printers in your everyday life? Any uses, whatever you can think or you have seen in your daily life? The physically handicapped people, we know that there's some part is missing, like leg or hand. So by using this 3D printer, we can make their body parts. Why? Because this is strong, light-weighted and easy handling. So these are the main 3 characteristics of the object made by this 3D parts of aeroplane, like handle, etc. And whenever you go to the market, you take some show pieces like Ganesh Ji or Goddess Lakshmi. They all are made by using this printer. They are painted according to our needs. And also girls wear those fashionable jewelries. Those are also made by using this 3D printer. So I hope you learn this, you enjoy this session and learn a lot of new things. And go to Tinkercad, make new programs, and when your school will reopen, we will execute all of them. So keep learning, stay safe, be healthy. Thank you.